today I just want to talk a little bit more about our radiators, the benefits of having an upgraded radiator and the benefits of using one of our Excel garage radiators, okay? A lot of people say to me, don't need a radiator, my car doesn't get hot. It's not about your car getting hot, it's about you keeping a core temperature in your engine to make it perform at its best, okay? So the best way to do that is with a big core radiator like we have here. Holds a lot more volume of coolant. Having a longer race, endurance races, it's a must, all right? Now, a couple of key benefits with our radiators. They are direct fit. They'll come with a modified bracket for the bottom of the driver's side, which is easy enough to put in. It does come with instructions, basic instructions. It bolts the factory fan, the left-hand fan on, directly to the radiator itself. The outlet's in identical place as the factory ones, so there's no need for extending hoses or changing hoses. Not only that, but for the month of October, we're going to offer free shipping on radiators, okay? So if you're not sure if you need to replace your radiator, upgrade your radiator, even if you need a spare radiator, just so you've got one sitting there ready to go, now's the time to get it with some free freight. So any questions on our radiators or any of our products, as per usual, you know where to find me.